Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming back at you with another box break, 72 card little rack box of 2015 Series 1 Topps. Wilson Herrera, Devin Mascaro, we got Craig Gentry, Alexi Ramirez, Jacoby Ellsbury, Gio Gonzalez, David Wright, Daniel Nava, Daniel Murphy, Kyle Seager, Colorado Rockies, Baltimore Orioles, Kansas City Royals, Paul Goldschmidt, Jeff Baker, Chris Young, Cody Allen, Brendan Moss, has a little refractor type to Michael Bond, Mike Piazza, Mike Schmidt, Dave Bruce, Carlos Gonzalez, little coupon, I guess. Oklahoma Steve Carlson, Oklahoma Steve Bridges, Jeff Bridges, Jesse Hahn, Jose Abreu, Carlos Santana, Jesse Chavez, Stevie, Derek Weaver, Steve Tippett, Brendan Hicks, Evan Jarvis, Forrest Harper, Carl Crawford, Madison Bumgarner, Ron Sutton, Derek Jeter, Cody Kluber, Ryan Howard, Javier Baez, Legends, Joaquin Soria, Sterling Marte, Edwin Escobar, rookie player, Chris Carter, Everett Torora, Josh Donaldson, Johannes Cespedes, Jose Batista, Hunter Pence, World Series card, Kenny Vargas, C.J. Wilson, Tom Collara, Brandon Belt, Tanner Wolf, Jared Greco, Brendan Mitchell, Jason Vargas, Zach Wheeler, Jose Reyes, Ubaldo Jimenez, Chris Cavallo, Chris Archer, Micah Minor, Ron Sergia, Howie Kendrick, we got Buster Posey and Javier Baez for some line cards. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time. This was a 2015 Series 1 Topps Baseball 72 card little rack box, whatever you want to call it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.